Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to distribute objects evenly. So I've got this slide with a bunch of different pieces of content on here. I'm going to select these three shapes. And if I go to Arrange and I hover down to Distribute, I have two choices. I can distribute horizontally or I can distribute vertically. And the difference between those is horizontally will make them evenly spaced side to side. Vertically will make them evenly spaced top to bottom. And again, like with some of the other arrangement options, this will all be done relative to the box that encapsulates only these three objects. So if I distribute these things horizontally, it's not going to spread anything across the slide. It's only going to distribute them horizontally within this box being defined by those three objects. So if I go to distribute horizontally, notice only the pentagon actually moved. Everything else, now it's just evenly spaced between the different objects. But this is a really clever and easy way to manage spacing between objects in your slides.